Hi, my name is Draisu, and I am the Deputy Company Sergeant Major of the Boys Brigade in Singh. Founded in 1885, GESS has nurtured many generations of students. My father, who was a government lawyer, was an old boy, and he has shared with me his fond memories of Singh in the 1980s. I was intrigued that the school's founder had a vision to educate poor boys regardless of their backgrounds. He was a successful businessman who decided to pay it forward 135 years ago. This motivated me to join the school, work hard, contribute to society, and pay it forward one day. School is never easy. We work hard and play hard, but the times I cherish the most are those spent interacting with friends. Friends stick with you in good times and bad times, through thick and thin, and I dare say that these friendships will last a lifetime.
Hi, I'm Patina and I'm the band major of Jazz Military Band. Many of my teachers have given me support and guidance throughout my journey in jazz and reassured me that I was capable of doing things that I did not know I could do. In jazz, we are all given opportunities to develop on our leadership skills. Everyone has a chance to be a leader, whether in CCA or in class. In band, I have many opportunities to develop on my leadership skills. Last year, I was chosen to work together with my cohort bandmates to organize the open house, and earlier this year, the CCA orientation. Throughout these two events, I felt insecure and I was worried that we wouldn't succeed. However, the overwhelming response that we received from the Sec 1s made me feel that it was a success. As a GESSian, I feel safe and loved from all the support and assistance I have from my teachers and friends. Overall, my journey in jazz has been fun-filled, enjoyable, and fruitful as I slowly grow as an individual.
Hi everyone, I'm Daryl Kerr and I'm a Year 4 student and I hold the appointment of Troop Leader in Dragon Scouts. GESSian School has a lot of great teachers and it has become a special place for me. The teachers are really patient with us and they'll put in their 100% effort to ensure that the students really understand the content that they are teaching. They even take out time to stay back after school and ensure that we fully understand. The friends that we meet here are really awesome as we always help each other out and ensure that no one gets left behind. GESSian School also offers a lot of enriching experiences and one good example was the overseas camp that we had last year. My cohort went to Malaysia last year and we learned a lot about the culture and heritage of the country. We went to do volunteer work and we also had a school exchange program. I had a lot of fun during the camp and I bonded very well with my classmates. Overall, GESSian School has a conducive environment for students to both enjoy playing and learning at. Because I've learned much and improved as a person, I'm grateful to the school and I definitely did not regret joining GESSian School.
Hello everyone, my name is Vivi and I'm from class 4D of 2019. My CCA in GESSian was just athletics and I was also the 67 head prefect of GESSian School. Back then, something that I considered was travelling time and the travelling distance from home to school. So then, GESSian was just nice, located at a location that I could simply walk to school. And because of that one reason that I could walk to school, GESSian became my first choice. I must also mention that I'm really thankful for the teachers who have helped me, especially throughout my upper secondary years, because within the 2 years I was struggling a lot with my academics. So then usually I would request to meet teachers for consultations and they're very willing to help me. I would conclude that my journey as a whole in GESSian School was a very, very memorable one. I think it was a very valuable journey because it was more like a journey of self-discovery, a journey of learning and development. I'm very proud to be a student of GESSian School.
Hi everyone, I'm Guang Singh. I was from 4D 2019 and my CCA was table tennis. I was a class chairperson back in secondary 1 and became the captain of the table tennis team in secondary 3. I was honoured to have served GESSian School as the president of the 13th Student Leader Council. Madam Fu was my geography teacher in secondary 1 and 2. Every lesson, she will enrich us in fascinating, up-to-date geography knowledge, which arouses our curiosity about the world. I believe Guiding Sing school teachers are determined to assist their students to perform better. They are just like the torch in Guiding Sing school, lighting up our paths and being there for us till we graduate.
Hello, my name is Pinky. I graduated from Guiding Sing School in 1996, when it was still located at Raeburn Park. I have been back in this school since 2007, serving as a physical education teacher. I'm also currently one of the year heads, helping to oversee the student development programs and processes in the school. Till today, the sight and sound of the Tanjong Pagar railway station, the feeling of doing runs around the Spottiswoode Park estate during PE, and having lessons in classrooms with blackboards still linger vividly in my memory. I was never the brightest boy in my class, and I have to be honest that I could be really lazy and unmotivated at times, especially in my weaker subjects. I'm extremely thankful for my teachers, who during my 4 years as a GESSian, never stopped encouraging and believing in me. It was their unwavering efforts which helped to successfully see me through my secondary school education and obtaining credible results at my national exams. Today, I'm back in Guiding Sing School as an educator myself, hoping to emulate the efforts of my ex-teachers by imparting knowledge, skills, and values to my own students. In time to come, I wish my efforts will be able to inspire some of my own students one day to continue this legacy of how one generation teaches, the other generation learns. Onward!
Hello, my name is Sultan Shah and I graduated from Guiding Sing School in 2007. Currently, I'm back in Guiding Sing School as a teacher and I teach mathematics and chemistry. My education experience in Guiding Sing was a holistic experience. Besides helping us achieve academic success, I think the school took a lot of effort to ensure that we forged better friendship with our peers and classmates. They also gave us enough opportunities to take on projects and school activities to make us grow as young leaders. I must say that most of my life friends, even now, are friends that I forged in my secondary school days. My memorable experience of Guiding Sing School, both as a teacher and as a student, has to be centered around the school sports day and cross country. I particularly look forward to the school sports day because it's a day where the school comes together as a whole to celebrate and have fun together. It is a day spent supporting our friends, classmates, and sometimes even our teachers, and just enjoying one another's success and taking part in one another's joy. When I got to know that I was posted back to Guiding Sing School, I was actually delighted, but I also felt a stronger sense of responsibility. That's because I'll be back in my own secondary school, so I really wanted to ensure that I'll be able to set a good example for the students. I hope my students consider me as a good role model and I continue to aspire them to be good people as well as to reach out for greater success of their own.
I'm Mr. Lim Ban, a teacher in Guiding Sing School. I worked in this school for more than 45 years. It's my longest stint among the 4 schools that I've taught. I'm here for a long time because I enjoy teaching in this school, although I'm not staying very near to the school. The students are very teachable and they're very willing to learn. When I first joined the school, I taught lower secondary science and English and general science at secondary 3. Teaching science was very interesting then because of science practicals that the students had to perform. From 1982, I was a sports secretary and would change to teaching mathematics, additional mathematics, and physical education. I joined the school when it was at Anson Road. Most of the students came from the poor families and they were hungry to learn. Mrs. Peggy Pang, the principal then, assigned me to take charge of track and field because they were teachers already in charge of football. I enjoy coaching students in track and field and in cross country. Since the early 80s, the school had been conducting secondary 3 camps at St. John's Island and later at the MOE campsites. It's good to see the students gaining confidence in themselves as they excel, climb rock walls, or walk on high ropes. The CCAs in these schools are very vibrant and many students have good memories of their time in school and even from the GESS Life camps. I like to share the students' success in their CCA or in their academic performance. It's a joy to see the happiness lighting up in their faces when they get their results. The principals and the staff have been very supportive of my work here. They have been very helpful and encouraging. Most of the students enjoy their time in this school. Many of the former students will visit the school during the National Day celebration and the Teachers' Day celebration. It's very satisfying to know that our students remember us. Most ex-students are still in touch with me, and sometimes we're invited to attend their get-together functions. I wish you all the best in your future education. If you make GESSian School your choice, it will not fail you. Thank you.
I'm Eileen, the newly appointed Secretary of GESS PTA 2020. It was an eye-opener for me to attend this year's PTA AGM, as my past experiences running parent support group of other schools do not require such a process. With the current COVID-19 situation, many of us have learned to adapt and resort to conduct our meetings online. It is also our first time for PTA to hold our first bi-monthly meetings via Zoom. I must say it was a great experience meeting the parents online, who has taken time to join us on 14 October 2020. Similar to most schools' parent support group, our GESS PTA also take time and efforts to plan and organize meaningful learning journeys and interesting activities to allow parents and their children to bond and build friendships along the way. I look forward to more of you parents joining us as we bring more great plans and programs next year for the benefits of GESS students. Thank you.